Hello and welcome to Dzynee. If you want to learn about how to draw a logo, how to draw an illustration, or how to draw a digital design, or how to do a typography, then subscribe to this channel immediately. So in this tutorial we are going to turn a sketch into a modern art illustration because they are so expressive, so colorful, vibrant and minimalist. So I have taken the colors from one of them and I'm going to use these colors. Just selected the colors and I am going to edit one group of colors into the lighter, and from the edit and the recolor artwork, from after editing the colors, go to edit and go to edit colors and then recolor artwork, and then I am going to change this group of colors into darker one. Now we shall blend them while having 3 steps in between. So expand and then lock after selecting them. To lock an object, go to object and then go to lock and then go to the lock selection. Then started tracing using the pen tool, and with the same procedure as the pen tool works, like just click and drag to add curves, and then repeat this process again and again until you are done with the area you wanted to cover. So here we have to cover the dark areas as we want to fill them with a color like shade which shall have or which shall possess the properties of these shades. So I think it's getting boring, so I am going to speed up the video. The fill color was annoying me, so I had to remove it. And later on I added the white color to the outline to see actually what I had drawn so far till now. One thing you have to keep in mind when you are drawing hairs, that they have long curves with the sharp heads. Black area, or there is a darker tone, or there is a shadow, then we have to cover them all because they look like the single thing, so we have to cover them in one color. So just keep in mind that we are going to draw something minimalist. So in minimalism we have to merge more things like shadow, black or dark colors. We shall apply the same rule to the white or the lighter tones. So we have to put the boundaries between black and white, because they both together make something visible or form something visual to the eyes. Copied the drawing to the left side just to check that how it look like after getting colors. Just confirm that you have all paths completed, or you have closed all the paths. Just check how the dark and the lighter tones shall be looking on it before adding some more necessary details to the drawing. It is just confirmed that it is looking fantastic in the modern vibrant colors. So I have now changed the outline color to the yellow because it looks more visible than the white color. So we shall now try again drawing some necessary details like the eyebrow and the eyes and the nose shades. After adding some more necessary elements in the illustration, so we shall copy again it to the left side and just try to apply the colors and see what we have done so far. So it shall give us a clear view of what we are going to achieve or on which direction we are going. I'm going to try some different backgrounds, so the which one will be perfect. Just checking that how the other color shades look on it. Felt the necessity of the shade here, so I think we shall be adding some more shapes to add the shades to the illustration. After covering some shades, we can check now that how does it look like now. So the lighter one to the lighter and the darker one to the darker places in the image. So illustration also follows what actually is in the real image. So darker for the darker and the lighter tone for the lighter places. Applying colors to the image again and again allows you to know about the things that you have left or you have missed, and it allows you to make or move toward the perfect thing what you want to have. After adding some more perfections and details to the illustration, we shall get the very beautiful illustration in the end. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you want to ask something, then you can ask in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.